Man ay sa mga nakakausap po, generally the senators just want to go back to work. And itong impeachment is part of our responsibilities under the Constitution. So it's part of our work. No?
SP,
Kaya nga
sir.
magiging dalawa yung trabaho namin, impeachment and legislation.
Will the committees be able to hold hearings during
Yes,
the break?
they can.
Kahit na wala pa po yung ibang
Ang quorum
members
is only one. No? So, mayroon silang isang senator, pwede na silang mag-hold ng hearings.
Kahit wala pa pong assignment ng yung mga minority members.
Pwede na sila mag-hold ng hearings. They can get information, they can conduct pwede na sila mag-organization rin, pwede na.
Majority na madagdagan po yung 13 kasi considering the fact na medyo manipis pa.
Of course, we're very open. No? The majority is very open to welcoming other senators to join the group. Ang aming layunin ay magtrabaho to put the Senate back on track in terms of working on important bills. Ang priority ko ngayon, LEDAC. In fact, later on, I have a meeting with the team to narrow down the LEDAC bills. No? Kasi we only have 2 years to go. Ang cycle ng isang bill is more or less 1.5 years to 2 years. Alam niyo naman yan. No? So we barely have enough time to finish the bill. So kailangan talaga, kaya yesterday, pag may bills, talagang I talked to the chairman, I talked to the people who will debate para makita natin kung ano yung pwede nating solution and matapos yung bill.
Pero sir, sa style ng leadership nyo, meron bang in-expect na major changes?
Gusto ko yung style ni Senator Cheese. No? Malinis yung banyo, malinis yung garden, no? Mabango yung Senate. In fact, kausap ko na nga siya, hiningi ko sa supplier niya ng pabango, no? So but ang tao kasi lalo na mga bisita natin, hindi naman nila alam yung rules of the Senate. Ang first impression nila, malinis ba yung banyo, maganda ba yung garden, maliwanag ba yung Senado. So those are the basics. Nung mayor ako, ganun rin ginagawa ko kasi image ng Senado yan, no? So that's one thing I learned from SP Cheese, na importante yung image. It might be trivial, no? Parang walang hindi importante, pero in the eyes of the public, importante yan.
SP, in case na ma-elect nga si Sen. Cheese na presiding officer ng impeachment court, bakit okay lang sa'yo? Sinasabi naman ng mga kasama mo na competent.
Let's wait, guys, kasi pag-uusapan pa yan. No? Let's wait. It will be a discussion.
Pero sir, yung BICAM ng budget mananatiling talagang open sa public?
Yes, I talked to Senator JV this morning at napag-usapan na namin yung budget process. The BICAM will remain open. The documents will be uploaded like last time. Mga transcripts uploaded rin real time. So lahat yan ipapatuloy ni Senator JV.
Sir, kahapon po nag-post si Congressman Pulong Duterte. Sabi niya, may info siya na naglabas na raw may in-issue na warrant ang ICC for Senator Bongo. If ever lang, sir, na totoo yun, and Senator Bongo will seek the help of the Senate, can you expect the same, yung binigay kay Senator Bato na protective custody?
Wala pa akong nakukuhang information na ganun, so it's very difficult to again, it's very difficult to preempt, no? Let's wait kung totoo nga yung information na yun.
So, sa ngayon, sir, di ba kasi parang sinasabi nila, kapag may session, hindi pwedeng mag-aresto sa Senate. May ganun bang aasahan si Senator?
Ayoko magsalita in advance kung wala pang information. Mahirap, no? Mahirap. The situations vary, no? So it's very hard to answer and then iba naman yung situation.
Sir, yung kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada, di ba nagbabaning Sandigan Bayan ng 90 days suspension? Ang Senate po ba, kailangan pa yun i-approve o automatic na yun?
Okay. Yung kung ano yung itong 90 days suspension, hindi bago ito, no? Nangyari na ito in the past, no? With other senators. So kung ano yung naging practice in the past and ano ang legal practice in the past, yun ang susundan natin. In this case, I haven't, kasi naging busy sa pre-trial, no? So I haven't really sat down with our legal team on how to go about it. But ang masasabi ko lang, kung ano yung legal practice in the past, yun ang susundan natin. I'll give you a straight answer pag nakausap ko ng legal team.
Separate pa ba yung sa impeachment, yung role niya as a senator judge sa impeachment?
From what I understand, pag suspended ka as a senator, kasama na rin dun yung being a senator judge. So the suspension is to the senator and it carries with it all the responsibilities as a senator, including becoming a senator judge.
Pero sir, natanggap niyo na po.
You have to distinguish determination of the quorum and to convict. These are two separate things. Determination of the quorum is iba yun, no? And determination to convict, iba rin yun.
Simple sir, majority yung sa quorum. Simple majority, sir.
Ang quorum, yes, simple majority. Yeah.
Which is 13.
Yeah. Okay, guys, meron pa?
Yes, sir. Sir, naisip po po ba na sana better time yung pagkaka-assume mo as SP? Kasi ang dami pong issue. May mga senator na tapos daw yung bago ka ma-elect talaga, ang daming issue. Naisip mo ba na sana mas better times na parang...
Sana talaga. Lahat naman tayo gusto natin to assume a role during better times, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo, pero nasa Diyos 'yan eh. No, ito yung time na ibinigay sa akin ng Diyos eh. So I just have to accept his will. No, so I wish it was a better time, a more harmonious, a more less stressful, but that wasn't the time given to me. So I just have to accept that. Yes. They will have to submit the guest list ahead of time, and then sa OSAA para alam ng OSAA sino yung mga resource persons ng iba't ibang committees. Okay naman eh. I monitor the process. Okay naman. Very smooth naman yung ganun. So we will request the chairman or the COMSEC, the committee secretaries, to submit the guest list ahead of time, no, para maabangan sa ano. But we will also, ang plano namin ni Sergeant at Arms is every end of the week, tomorrow actually, we'll have a security briefing with the PNP and other agencies para malaman namin yung status for the next week. No? So we'll take this week by week.
Sir, more...
Wala muna, except kung merong written request, no? Kagaya sa pre-trial, yung mga, in fairness sa mga senators, they sent us a list of names na gusto nilang pumasok, no? So I appreciate the senators for cooperating with the protocols, no?
How are you preparing logistically, sir?
Yes. That is the biggest challenge, the logistics portion, kasi maliit ang Senado eh. Ang pinaka problema natin dito, space. No? That is the biggest problem. Ang prosecution, gusto nila may sarili silang huddle room, may sarili silang media room, meron silang sariling staff, ang defense, ganun rin. Of course, yung senators, may sarili ring mga requirements. So it's very difficult. And then under the Constitution, dapat open pa to the public. So that's another security hazard. So we need to make do with our limited space. Kaya hingi nga ako ng pag-unawa sa inyo na yung movements will be very difficult, the space will be very difficult, but we'll try our best to accommodate everyone. No? Ang importante naman, safe, maayos, at orderly conduct ng impeachment.
So magkano nila lang budget, sir?
Sorry?
How much are we talking?
Wala pa kaming final number, but not so much, no? Kasi dito lang naman yung gaganapin. Ang nakikita ko lang added cost yan will be probably additional security or and food, parang kanya-kanyang dala eh. Alam ko eh, kanya-kanyang dala, no? So not so much kasi ang maganda yung venue dito eh. So hindi naman magiging magastos 'yun.
Nausap for the impeachment preps ay AFP, PNP.
Kasi may Marines tayo dito. We have a Marine contingent. We have 20 plus Marine contingent here. So dapat coordinated. No? So kahapon, if may nagpicture yata kahapon. So hindi lang naman Marines, andun ng MMDA, Pasay LGU, NICA, PNP, AFP, sino pa ba? BFP, Fire. No? So marami sila.
Yun nga, sir. Bakit security forces, sir, yung kinausap niyo for impeachment preps?
Well, we have to admit that the personalities involved are political entities or political personalities. So we have to make sure na covered ang security aspect nitong impeachment proceedings. No? And like I said, very limited in space. Ang constraint kasi dito space. No? So inuna na namin i-meet itong logistics and security aspects.
Comment lang sa sinabi ni Senator Ping Lacson na umabot daw ng 700 million yung nalustay in the past weeks. Dahil doon sa mga nangyaring kaguluhan, walang nag-boycott sa session, walang hearings, and paano nyo po babawiin yung lost time and yung
Well, kinumpute namin ang budget ng Senado per day is about 24 million, no? Almost 25 million, no? Just to operate the Senate. The Senate is a big institution. We have 2,000 people, may isang building tayo. So if you count those days, those are the days na naging unproductive, no? Kaya nasabi ko nga in one of our press cons na sayang yung pera na ibinibayad ng tao sa sweldo, sa kuryente. So babawiin naman natin yan in the next few days, no? So we'll back down to work.
Sir, kung di na Senate takes, anong episode tayo ngayon?
Yung season?
Back to work season. Hindi back to school, back to work. Yes?
Ano lang po yung magiging agenda ng all members po?
Marami. Yung security, yung schedule, yung outcome ng pre-trial conference. Yung pre-trial conference kasi we narrow down also the time. So, gaano kahaba. No? So, and then, it will narrow down also the day itself, kung sinong testigo ang ipepresenta, anong ebidensya ipepresenta. So lahat yan on a per day nakalatag na yan, no? So we will discuss that with the senators.